Hey dreamers, welcome to episode 10 of Wandering Architect. I am Architect Saran and today we bring it all to life. You have modeled, detailed, refined and also structured. Now it's time to make people feel what you have designed. We will explore regarding Revit's realistic visual styles, lighting, materials and atmosphere and high quality renderings and client ready exports in this video. Because a great rendering isn't just pretty, it's the story told in pixels and light. So let's dive into Revit. So this is Revit project which is a sample project from Revit itself. So since we are doing rendering, we'll use this project itself, not the one which we have used in earlier episode. Okay. So let's directly see into 3D. So when you see in 3D, you can see this is our main building along with the other context like dummy buildings are placed here, and behind our building there is some water body here. So let's see this thing in realistic. So when I click on visual style, we'll go into realistic or else consistent color. So for now we'll make it as a consistent color. So when I make it a consistent color, you can see the water body over here and the topography which is having a green grass over here, and parking strips are placed over here, and you can see when I zoom it, there are plants placed over here and site walls, pavers as well as furnitures, everything is placed. So it's good to go for our rendering. So let's directly take it into front view. So when I take it into front, you can see the building, main building, that the context buildings are also placed here. So let's play with visual style. So when we go into visual style, you have option called graphic display option. So let me keep into the side. You can see whatever I am changes will I am making, it will be affecting here simultaneously. So let's keep it this in consistent itself. So you can have a pick on smooth lines with anti-lacing. This will help to render your lines very smoothly. Okay, you can also add a transparency in your rendering whichever is necessary. For now, you make it as a 0. So you can see there is an option called shadows here. So in shadows, let's turn on show ambient shadows and show apply. You can see there is a ambient shadows here, and in sketchy lines for now no need to do anything jitter or is any extension. And next go into depth cueing, no need to do anything here for now. And in lighting, you can add a background here, you can change your sun's path and everything. For ambient light, you can increase bit light here, and shadow also if you want you can increase as much as you want. Let's keep it as 40 for now. And in realistic, you can see it's already in realistic or else in consistent color for now, like it's already default taken by value, so no need to change anything. Now directly jump into background and make it as a sky. Okay, and ground color, let it be a default for now and apply it. Okay, so wow, so this is how it is looking now. Now we'll go into how to render this. Okay, since our visual style is ready for rendering, you can see there is a sky in background. Now let's render this. So go into file, export, then you can search in the bottom here, there is an option called images and animation. So click on images animation and go into image and select whatever you want settings. For example, let's change this into our like wherever we see our project, like for rendering we can browse over the location. So let's keep it here, save. And next you can directly change image size. So for now we'll keep it as zoom to 50%, and then we'll go into change the raster image quality into 300 and make it as lossless, and non-shaded views as a jpg lossless. So export range, let's keep it as a current window itself, and let's go, we're good to go. So make it as okay. So it might take bit time because like you will be having a, it isn't realistic, so give it bit time, your rendering will be ready. So let's go into our location where we have selected. So let's open our image. Okay, yes, it has taken with good clarity. This is what, this was our site context with our building, right? So with a background of sky. So this is how you can export your image into renders. There is another option also, let me show you. So when you go into view tab, there is option called render here. So when you click on render, you can select the settings whichever you want, but in this we have lot of realistic materials and all, it will take lot of time to get render. So but in case if you have very low file, like it's not heavy, then you can go with this rendering settings and it will also produce with the good rendering images. So that's how you can render images. So let's directly dive into next task, that is how to export this into sheets and all. So since you can see there are a lot of sheets placed here, like from A100 to SD106, there is a question like how to arrange those things and all. So go into file, export, and then go into PDF, You can see there is a PDF export tab here. So when you click on current window, only what was the sheet selected here, that is A100, will get printed. Okay, we need to export all sheets at a time. So go into selected views or sheet, and you can select a set also. Since set has been created, let's check it. So the set has been created, and it is arranged in a sheet number wise, I guess. Let's check it. Go into edit print order, and you can manually set the sheet number whichever you want. So suppose if I want G001 at the top, I can take this and I can drag however I want. Okay, see now G001 will be at the first sheet. You can directly take it into bottom also. So you can manually arrange however you want, or else you can use the Revit default option also. So this is how you need to select. So then after selecting, make a settings as a yes, and choose your path. Let's for now choose our path as this project file itself. Let's take it copy, and you need to paste your path here. Okay, and keep zoom as into 100 so that your sheets get fully viewed, and appearance as raster quality as high, and colors as color itself. No need to change anything here, and let's good to go for export. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes, so you need to wait since we have lot of sheets here. Now since your export of sheet has been done, so let's check into our project file where we have saved this. So it has been converted into PDF. Let's open it into Microsoft Edge. So you can see the sheets here. This is the Autodesk sheet like which has been created from the default project only. This is the cover sheet, and following with the G series sheets, and after the G series it will come with the A series sheets. So this is the method to export your sheets, following with G series, then A series, then you can add your rendering images also at the last of sheets. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed all the videos from episode 1 to 10. In coming days we will be learning regarding how to make templates for each and every sheet. Now we'll jump into single tools like to use template for these sheets, and how to use change the material for wall. This will cover in coming next series. Okay, this series we have learned regarding basic from how to make it modeling, and place it into sheets, and how to create masses. This all we have learned in these classes. From now we'll learn into a quick mode. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video completely. Let's directly see you into next episodes. You have just did it, guys, from 0 to 10th episode, from total confusion to visual storytelling. So you just didn't learn regarding Revit 26, you have unlocked a new way of thinking as a designer. Share this video to everyone who just want this video eagerly. So this is Wanting Architect, where we build with heart, with vision, with soul. Until next time, keep creating fearlessly. We will next plan regarding episode 11 to next 20 and next series. So stay tuned into our channel, and let's see you in next videos.